User Guide for Tomota S3 Plus. Guide to counting shrimp post-larvae. Step 1. Use the 500 milliliter measuring cup to fill the Tomota S3 Plus with water from the farming pond. Step 2. Use the net scooper to collect the shrimp post-larvae and place them into the Tomota S3 Plus. Note: gently shake the device to distribute the shrimp evenly for more accurate counting. Step 3. Close the lid and open the Tomota app on your phone to proceed with counting the shrimp post-larvae. Then go to the menu and select the shrimp analysis option. In the shrimp counting section, tap the plus icon to add a new task. Note: make sure to select the correct shrimp species and Tomota S3 device before proceeding, then click Continue to start counting shrimp post-larvae. Choose to record a live video. Note: adjust the camera to ensure all 4 markers in the corners of the screen are clearly visible to avoid errors. Gently tap on the shrimp to focus, then press the record button. Once finished, the screen will display the number of shrimp post-larvae, and all data will be saved on the Tomota app. Guide to measure shrimp. Step 1. Place the shrimp into the Tomota S3 Plus machine. Note: adjust the water level just enough for the shrimp to swim. Step 2. Close the lid to proceed with measuring the larger shrimp. Step 3. Open the Tomota app on your phone. Go to the Management section, select Farm, then choose the pond. In the shrimp size measurement using Tomota S3 section, select Add Session to add a task. Then tap on the Image Analysis for Shrimp option. Note: select the correct type of shrimp and Tomota S3 machine before measuring, then choose Continue. Select to record video live. Note: adjust the camera to clearly see the 4 markers at the corners of the screen to ensure the results are accurate. Gently tap on the shrimp to focus, then press the record button. Once completed, the screen will display data including size, stocking density, gut fullness, growth chart, and shrimp ranking. All data will be stored in the Tomota app, making it easy for farmers to assess and retrieve measurement history.